Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control to control your Panasonic W70 TV. So in order to do that, you're going to have to install the Google Home application if you don't have it on your smartphone. Basically, if you set up your TV with your smartphone, it will be much easier for you, as you will only have to find and open Google Home application and then find your TV in there and select use as a remote. But if you don't have it on your phone, you can open the Play Store or the App Store on your smartphone, depending on which kind of device you are using. Then open the search field and search for Google Home application. And once you find it, install it, wait for the application to be installed, and then make sure that both your TV and your smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To check the Wi-Fi network on your TV, go to All Settings menu, then go to Network and Internet and check your Wi-Fi network and make sure that it's the same network on your smartphone. Then open the Google Home application, give it some permissions, get started. You can allow or disallow notifications for this for your Google Home app. Then select the account. Then select your home or add a new home by tapping right here and select next. Then turn the Bluetooth on, select allow, and then give it this application the location access and select while using the app. Then you can click OK, and now you can try adding your TV by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and select device, then select search for device, then select your home and tap next, and then wait for your smartphone to find a device nearby. But if it doesn't find anything, as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, that probably means that your device is stored in local devices list, which is available by tapping these four rectangles to open all devices list. Now in all devices list, you will most probably be able to find your TV at the very bottom in local devices, though sometimes you're gonna have to refresh the application and reopen it. So let me reopen this app. Let me open the list of all apps. Okay, let me try adding this TV one more time. Okay, so it didn't find it. Let's exit. Let's go back to all devices list. It's gotta be somewhere here. Just give me a moment. Okay, so the problem was resolved after restarting the smartphone. So if you have the same problem, just try restarting your smartphone and your TV too, and then you will see your TV in local devices. Just tap on it and then select add to a room, then select a room from the list or enter the custom room as this is the last option on the list. Tap next, then wait for a moment. And then select confirm. Okay, then select default language that you want to use with your TV for a Google Assistant, for example. Tap next, then select your default music service and confirm. Then if you want to link video services, you can select the video service and proceed, or you can just skip this step by tapping not now. Then you can also accept receiving invitations to help improve Google hardware. You can simply skip this step for now. And let's select connect. Continue. Let's skip the tutorial. And now in all devices menu, you'll be able to find your Google TV or your Panasonic TV. And now in order to control it with your smartphone, select Open Remote. Then enter the password that you see on your TV screen. And select Pair. And now you can use your smartphone as a remote control. Here we have the touchpad. In the top right corner we have the power button. Here in the middle we have home screen. On the right side we have Google Assistant, the back button or the return button, mute button, and volume controls, sound volume controls. And so that's basically it. And so using this Google Home application, you can control any of your Panasonic TVs basically that run on Google TV. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.